Guess what time it is? It's time for another pizza review. This time, we're at Midici's wood-fired pizza and kitchen. The bestseller, the Devil's Italian tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, homemade spicy sausage, spicy Italian salami, and red chilies. That's what I'm looking forward to. That's hot. Shannon. I was kind of bummed out when I seen jalapenos on the pizza because I wanted the Calabrian chilies, which is like traditional Italian chilies that they use. The sauce is good, the bread is good, the crunch is good. The cheese is good. Everything is good. So the cheese is on top, which kind of throws it off because the ingredients, all the ingredients are under the cheese. I don't know if the dude was mad at me or something when I ordered, but that's way too many jalapenos. Way too many. I'm happy to see that they actually did use spicy calabrese. That's what I noticed on the menu, and I actually came here just for this. I'll give it a fair score today. 7. I'm giving it a 7 today. I'm gonna have to come back and do another review here because there's a young kid working here making the pies right now, and I know that's not the person that's normally here. It wasn't bad, but I've been here before. How can I put this nicely? I've been here before, and the way they were made today was not Neapolitan style. The bread was fine. The bread was fine. Just the proportions and how it was put together was a little different than normal, which made it get a 7. So I'm gonna have to come back here and do another review.